Traveling brings its own set of challenges. But for people with adventurous spirits and creative minds, it's so important to get out and get a new perspective. Through each place I visit, I leave feeling more inspired than ever. It's so fascinating that in less than 24 hours, you can be in a completely new environment. New scenery, faces, flavors, architecture, and what's even more fascinating is that we get to capture and share these stories. For me, I try to find the harmony of enjoying the moment while still having the opportunity to capture it as well. And that is where the Sony Xperia Pro I comes in. It helps blend those two things together. Having the Xperia in my pocket helps capture the subtleties, the conversation, the scenery as it can change quickly, and the little moments in between. I also utilize the vlog monitor, where I could see myself and still use the main camera. While exploring the city of Istanbul, I met some of the most hospitable people. Many shared stories of their life and the culture of their country, both of which I seek when traveling. With each conversation was a new glass of Turkish tea. As good as it was, I think it was more of an avenue for conversation, connection, and community. I ventured out to a slower-paced city called Gurem, or as many people know it as, Cappadocia. It's a small town with open country surrounding it. It was refreshing to get some air and connect with nature. But as trips are quick, I was back in Istanbul before I knew it. With the last few days, I explored some of my current passions to get a newfound perspective on something I know very well. Everyone I met held endless gratitude for the simplicity of their lives. I noticed they would look forward to connecting with their city. It makes me wonder how simplicity plays a role in our gratitude, and that maybe with less, we are actually able to appreciate more. I'm so grateful to share a sliver of this culture with just a phone in my pocket. And the more that I travel, the more I am aware of how much hidden perspective there is in each place I go, especially here. Share with me your favorite places by using the Travel by Xperia hashtag.